The OBC reservation case in Madhya Pradesh will now be heard from October 8 after a delay from the expected September 24 date. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav advised Congress leaders not to create pressure or act in haste. He said unity before the court is essential and premature political action could backfire against the OBC community. Yadav called reservation a sensitive issue that needs calm handling. With the matter still in court, the CM emphasized cooperation from all parties to ensure fair outcome for every community affected by the reservation debate. In Shajapur, senior BJP leader Kailash Vijaywargiya triggered controversy with a sharp personal attack on Rahul Gandhi. He criticized the Congress leader for publicly kissing his sister Priyanka Gandhi, calling it inappropriate and against Indian culture. Vijaywargiya claimed that Indian tradition discouraged such gesture, especially in public. He questioned whether any Indian would do the same with their sister or daughter. The comment sparked debate across political circle with Congress yet to respond. The remark added fuel to an already tense political environment ahead of upcoming election in Madhya Pradesh. A tragic incident unfolded at Bhopal airport where Nayak Tahsildar Dinesh Sahu died after suffering a heart attack on duty. Sahu, posted in Govindpura, had arrived early to assist former election commissioner O.P. Raut, who was scheduled to fly to Mumbai. Around noon, Sahu complained of chest pain and collapsed. Despite immediate effort by colleagues to rush him to hospital, doctors declared him dead. The sudden loss of the dedicated officers have shocked the administrative community. Colleagues remember him as hardworking and disciplined. His untimely death has raised concern over work-related stress in government duties. Bhopal's Bhagwan Singh has entered the record book by becoming the first person to reach Everest base camp on a mountain bicycle. At 52, Singh pedaled to an altitude of 5,364 meters, battling snow, rough terrain and low oxygen levels. His incredible journey has been officially recognized as a world record. Singh called it one of the toughest challenges of his life, requiring physical strength and mental grit. The achievement has not only brought pride to Bhopal but also inspired cycling and adventure enthusiasts across India. Singh now plans to promote fitness and trekking among youth. Former Congress Secretary Bhaskar Mishra has been arrested in Singrauli district under the SC/ST Act. Police acted on a complaint by BJP MLA Rajendra Mishram, who alleged that Mishra used offensive language in a video uploaded online. The arrest was made in Baidhan area and the video is now under investigation. Mishram said political rivalry should never cross into personal abuse, especially on caste lines. The case has stirred political tension in the district, with Congress leaders terming it a targeted move. Police say further legal action will depend on the forensic review of the video. Commissioner of Metro Rail Safety Janak Kumar Garg conducted a detailed two-day inspection of the 6.22 km priority corridor. On Thursday morning, he spent 3 hours at Subhash Nagar Depot, followed by metro trial rides and safety checks at various stations, including a 1-hour halt at Ames station. The inspection is critical for securing the final approval required before passenger services can begin. City residents are eagerly waiting for operation to start, hoping the metro will ease traffic congestion and offer faster urban travel. A sanitation worker died and 2 others were injured while cleaning a sewer line in Satna's Kripalpur area. The workers reportedly entered the pipe without safety equipment when methane gas leaked inside. All 3 fainted and were pulled out by locals. One worker, Amit Kumar, was declared dead while the other 2 are in serious condition. The incident has sparked outrage over poor safety measures. Residents accused authorities of negligence, saying basic precautions could have saved a life. The municipal department has ordered an inquiry, but public anger over the dangerous condition continues to grow. The monsoon is officially retreating from Madhya Pradesh along with several northwestern states, while Mandla and Rewa received around 2 inches of rainfall on Thursday. Most part of the state, including Bhopal, Indore and Gwalior, saw clear skies and rising humidity. Light showers were reported in districts like Jabalpur, Ujjain and Seoni. Weather experts confirmed the monsoon withdrawal phase has begun. Farmers are now preparing their fields for the next crop cycle. While residents are looking forward to cooler days, the shift also signaled the start of festival preparation across many regions of the state.